Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make ramen less spicy. First, let's talk about the spice packet. A simple and effective method is to use only a fraction of it. Try starting with just 1/2 or even 1/3 of the packet. This gives you much more control over the heat level. Remember, it's always easier to add more spice than to take it away, so begin cautiously. Next, consider incorporating dairy or fat into your ramen. Ingredients like a splash of milk, a dollop of sour cream, or even a slice of cheese can work wonders. The fats in these products bind with capsaicin, the compound responsible for spiciness, effectively reducing its intensity. A creamy egg yolk or a tablespoon of butter also adds a delightful richness while mellowing the heat. Another excellent strategy is to introduce elements of sweetness or acidity. A small amount of sugar, perhaps a half teaspoon, or a drizzle of honey can help to balance the fiery notes. Similarly, acidic components like a squeeze of fresh lime juice or a dash of rice vinegar can cut through the heat, providing a refreshing contrast. Experiment with these to find your perfect flavor balance. Finally, you can dilute the spice by simply adding more liquid, such as extra water or a mild broth. This increases the overall volume, spreading the capsaicin more thinly. Furthermore, incorporating additional ingredients like extra noodles, a generous portion of fresh vegetables, or some cooked protein can help absorb the spicy broth, making each bite less intense and more satisfying.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.